Oh, you take that off of volume. I love it, you know. Just don't roll your window up, baby.
Okay. How's it going, sir?
All right, how you doing? What's the emergency, officer?
Sorry. Well, one, you didn't use your turn signal when you made lane change, and two, you don't have a tag on here.
Okay, may I have your name and badge number?
Yeah, my name's Austin Franklin. My badge number is 1725.
1725?
Sir, I need your driver's license for insurance, please.
And do you happen to know your bond number just in case anything happens or any injuries? Your bond number.
Bond number?
Yes. You don't know your bond number?
No, sir.
Okay.
I need your driver's license and insurance, please.
Has any crime been committed?
Sir, you have to speak up.
Has any crime been committed?
You committed traffic violations, so this is detention of a traffic violation, and so I need your driver's license and insurance.
So I'm under custodial arrest?
Sir?
So I'm under custodial arrest?
Your traffic stop is a detention.
Uh-huh.
So you made a traffic violation, so I need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Well, sir, right now I just want to make sure that you understand something, that I'm not on the road for hire. I'm not traveling, doing any type of commerce or anything of that nature. Do you understand that?
Okay. I understand that, but you made a traffic violation, and I need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Okay. Well, because of that, I'm not waiving my rights. I'm actually invoking my rights because I'm just traveling on the road. I'm not doing commerce.
Driver's license and proof of insurance, sir.
And actually, if you wouldn't mind, would you mind calling the supervisor available?
Yes, I already called one. He's going to come this way.
Okay.
See your driver's license and proof of insurance.
All right. Because I just want to provide you with this document to let you know.
I need to see your license on top of
I can show you my ID. That is my ID.
Do I need to see that too, or?
Yeah, you can look at that one too.
Okay.
Just to let you know, please read over the documentation.
Yes, sir. Just give me 1 second, okay?
Thank you. Don't worry about it.
It'll be okay. It's just normal procedures.
And I know I had my damn traffic thing on.
It's just your word against his, because I'm pretty sure you turned it on.
I need you to call Josh.
Okay. What's this?
Give me a headset.
Hey, Josh, one moment.
Hey, Josh. Hey, they got me pulled over again. Yeah, they been came to the window. I asked him to get a supervisor available, and I gave him my documentation with the oath of office. Yeah, I gave him the driver's ID. Okay. Yeah, just let me know, because right now I'm just waiting for the supervisor to show up, and I'm trying to think about what to say when the supervisor gets here. The only thing is I got his name and his badge number. He said he doesn't know what his bond number is. He said that he stopped me because I didn't put on a turn signal, or then I don't have a license plate on the back of the car. Right. Yeah. Right. Other than license and registration. Yeah. Yeah, I asked him to read it, but then he went back to his patrol car and said he was waiting on the supervisor to get here. Yeah, I got the script, but see, that's the thing, because I don't even know which way to go from here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I got. Hold on, he's coming back up to the window.
Hey, do you have any paperwork for the vehicle, like title or anything, any insurance or anything?
Do you have a warrant for my arrest or anything of that nature that describes me? Do you have a warrant for my arrest that describes me as a person to?
I can't hear you. You have to speak up.
Do you have a warrant for my arrest?
No, sir, not this time. But I need to see your insurance or some kind of proof of ownership of the vehicle.
Okay. And do you understand that I'm not operating in a for hire capacity?
Okay.
Yeah, he's just he's trying to get the VIN number right now. No. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's on the it's in the back of the window. Excuse me, officer. Okay. It looks like the supervisor just showed up. Yeah, I'm just trying to get baby to work. Yeah, he said I'm under custodial arrest. Okay, supervisor's coming up. No.
Mr. Bay, did you request a supervisor?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to roll down the window if you want to speak to me.
Yes. And what's your name and badge number, sir?
Sergeant Evans,
Sergeant Evans. And your badge number, please?
705.
705. Thank you very much. I'm just trying to understand that.
You're trying to what?
I'm trying to understand. Am I under custodial arrest?
Are you under arrest?
Custodial arrest.
Not yet.
Oh, well, am I free to go?
No, you're not.
Okay.
You're being detained right now on a traffic stop because you do not have a
What?
registration for this vehicle.
Well, the answers to those questions cannot be the same. If I'm not under custodial arrest, and
Sir?
you said I'm not under custodial arrest. Am I under custodial arrest?
We're conducting a traffic stop right now to find out why this vehicle does not have a tag on it.
What is the articulable probable cause?
What
for
is
the
what?
What is the articulable?
Why do you want to get into
cause?
the articulate? We're talking state law here.
Well, no, I'm not talking about. That's just a statute of code.
No,
I'm
it
asking
is. You're
for
absolutely right. It is a statute and it is a code of the United States of America.
I have not committed a crime. Nobody has been
Actually,
injured.
you have committed a crime because you have not registered this vehicle with the state of Alabama. In order for this vehicle to operate on the state highways, you have to have a registration for this vehicle. Now, do you have a registration for this vehicle?
I'm not
Do you
operating
have
in
an
a for hire
Alabama driver's
capacity.
license? Because in order to drive on the highway, you are required to have an Alabama or a driver's license from any other state. Now, do you have that,
So for my legal understanding,
sir?
except for my legal understanding, I wish to clarify. You said I'm not free to go,
No, sir, you're not.
so I must.
Until you produce proper
so-
identification
So I must.
and the registration of this vehicle.
So I must conclude. So I must conclude that I'm under custodial arrest,
If you want to put it that way, that's fine.
and this is not an investigative detention.
Sir?
Well, no.
We can
Therefore,
argue this all day, but this is going to be the end result right here. Until you produce proper identification
right now,
and proper
right now, I
documents
would
of
like
this
to let you
car,
know that I'm revoked.
we're going to seize this vehicle.
Right now, I'm invoking my fundamentally rights,
I'm giving you your fundamentally right.
including my
This
rights to
vehicle
remain
cannot
silent,
operate on the state highway without
and
proper
to my right
registration.
for assistance of counsel.
Sir?
From this point forward, I do not consent to provide you with any information or documents that could
Okay,
that
so
could
you have
incriminate
nothing
me.
whatsoever to identify yourself.
I gave you my identification that
You
identifies
have
me.
an identification through the state of Alabama.
From this point forward, please do not ask me to answer any more
For
questions. From this point forward, please don't ask me any other questions or ask me to perform.
You don't want to answer any more questions? All right, I need you to step out of the vehicle, sir.
I'm letting you know that I'm invoking my rights,
Sir,
and I'm not.
need you to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not stepping out of my
Go ahead and
vehicle.
turn your car off for me.
It's already off, officer.
Okay, let me see your keys. I'm going to put them up here on top of the car.
Do you intend
While we
to?
conduct this investigation.
Do you intend?
Sir?
Do you intend to harm or punish me?
I cannot hear you.
Do you intend to harm or punish me?
No.
Okay. A crime has not been committed. I am invoking my fundamental rights to be able to travel
You
on
can
the
invoke any rights you
road.
want to, but we're conducting a traffic stop and an investigation into this vehicle right now. And an investigation
And
into
we went over that already.
What?
I said we went over that for red already. I'm not in a for hire capacity.
So are you
I have
claiming
not
to be,
committed a
Are you claiming
crime.
to be a sovereign citizen?
That I am not claiming to be a sovereign citizen. I'm just invoking my civil
Yeah.
rights.
Okay, you're not invoking anything because you don't have that right to invoke anything at this point in time. You're being investigated for not having a registration on this vehicle and not having a proper identification.
And has a crime been committed?
Yes, a crime has been committed because you don't have registration on this
And
vehicle.
what is that crime?
Fail to register your vehicle.
Isn't that a statute?
Is it a statute? It's state law. And if you're going to argue this, you should know this if you want to argue it. Because I know it. So how do you want to play this game from here on out? Go ahead.
I'm just simply invoking my rights, sir.
I'm out here with 41. I'll be tied up a minute.
That's it.
Is there anything else you need to ask me?
He's asking if anything else I need to ask him.
For your paperwork back.
So,
You're going to have to roll this window all the way down if you want to speak to me.
now,
You're going to have to roll it all the way down if you want to speak to me. That's
for my safety, I don't
Our
want to roll down the
conversation's over
window.
with. I'm going to turn it back over to Officer Franklin.
He just walked away. Yeah, they're talking about impounding the car and stuff. No, babe, what are you doing?
Oh, you gotta go around. You have to go around. Have I committed a crime?
No, babe, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. He just walked away. What? He literally went over to baby's window to try to knock on the door to get her to. Well, I'm on her phone. I'm recording on my phone. Yeah, it's being recorded. I wish my mouth went so damn dry right now. Okay, one just pulled his car in front of me. Okay, I think this officer's trying to come back to the... Man, you got all these police officers.
That's what happens when you try to tell them that you're not a slave anymore. You're no longer a cattle, so they can't milk you.
Right. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what this police officer, he's coming back with my documents, but I'm not sure. No. Yep. Okay, let me see what he's doing.
Hi, Mr. Bay. You're
Yes.
getting 3 citations, one for
Okay.
no driver's license, one for failed to register vehicle, and one for failed to display insurance.
Okay.
You have the court date November 12th, 2019 at 4 p.m. in Vestavia. There's all your paperwork, there's your tickets.
All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Am I free to go? Am I free to go?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And that was more than 15 minutes.